Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to understand one of the beautiful poem, All the World's Stage by William Shakespeare. He was an English poet, playwright, actor, and the most prominent dramatist is also called as England's national poem and also called as Bard of Award, means traditionally one reciting epics. This poem is taken from his play As You Like It. The poet compares the world as stage and human life into 7 acts, like an infant, a schoolboy, a lover, a soldier, an adult, an old man, and a very old man. Each one have its own different qualities and futures. Let's look into the poem.
All the World's a Stage by William Shakespeare. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many part, his act being 7 ages. In this poem, the poet says that the whole world is a stage, and all the men and women merely, meaning only, player means just actors. They have their exit and their entrance. That is, if they are born, means they have to die. And one man plays many different part, each actors playing 7 roles in this poem according to William Shakespeare. At first, infant mewling and pucking in the nurse's arms. In this stanza, the stage is of infant mewling. Mewling meaning a baby crying weakly, and pucking meaning vomiting in the nurse arm. The baby, the small baby, you have seen that keep on vomiting where in the nurse arm. First stage is of your infant, very small. Then winning schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwilling to school. The second stage of a schoolboy, winning. Winning meaning complaining about. Complaining about his satchel. Satchel means school bag. He goes to school with well scrubbed shining face and creeping like a snail, means walking very slowly, unwilling to go to school. You clear? First two stanza, first is very infant, very small. Second one is a schoolboy. And then the lover shine like furnace with a woeful ballad made to his mistress eyebrow. The third act is of a lover who is breathless and sighing like a furnace. Furnace meaning very hot. Furnace or hot temperature. With a woeful ballad means sad poem, already meaning is given. Where he falls in love and dedicate woeful means sad song poem to his beloved. Then a soldier full of strange oaths and beard like a pard. The fourth stage is that of a soldier, full of stage, and he was taking promise. Oath means promise, and beard means hair grows on man's cheek like a pad. Pad here indicates that leopard. Jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the Babel reputation. Jealous in honor, respect sudden, and he is ready to quick in quarrel to fight with anyone for his seeking the bubble. Bubble means blowing. You might have seen the small children blowing the bubbles, but here it is temporary reputation. For his reputation is ready to do anything. Even in the cannon's mouth, here means even facing a great danger in his life, he is ready to do anything for his reputation. And then justice in fair round belly with a good cap on line. The fifth role is that of a middle-aged man with a fair round belly with a good cap on line. Means he's having, already meaning is given, excess fat from careless eating habits. He's having excess fat in his body. Like imagine your father with eyes severe and beard of formal cut. Eyes is severe and beard of formal cut. Now here he is sensible due to his work and beard of formal cut. You might have seen his beard are very formal. Here is it is mentioned that he was very straightforward, full of wise songs and modern instances, and so he plays his part. In this stage, he is full of wise saying and modern instances. Instances here means examples, and so he play his part. He is perfectly playing here his role. The sixth age shift into the lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacle on nose and pouch on side. His youthful oaths well saved a world too wide, for his shrunk sank and his big manly voice. The sixth stage, he has to become old and into lean. Lean means very legs are very lean, weak. It becomes shrunken and slippered pantaloon and wearing a loose pant with spectacles. Specs wearing on his nose and pouch aside. And now he's remembering his youth oaths when he was in his young age. He used to wear a tights, well saved to a worldwide. Shrunk sank means his leg become now sank and his voice become manly voice. His voice become weak very. Turning again toward childish treble pipes and whistle in his sound. Now his voice, his loud voice, which was only once manly, has become childish treble. Treble means 3 times speaker. Now he's speaking very slowly and double sound. He could not able to speak properly. Last scene of all, that ends a strange, eventful history, is second childish and near of Leon. The last stage of all, which ends this is eventful life, is when man becomes sensible and enter his childhood, is unaware of what is happening around. Is second child is and the mere oblivion. Oblivion means the state of being unaware, unconscious of surrounding things, what had happened. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. Now in the final stage is without teeth, sans eyes, without vision, and sans taste, without taste, and sans everything means without anything. In this poem, we learned about 7 stages. What are they? First, an infant. Second, a schoolboy. Third, a lover. Fourth, a soldier. Fifth, an adult. Sixth, an old man. The seventh, a very old man. Thank you.